Hello friends, today we are going to solve design a number container system. We will take two variable num2 indices as a default and int2num as a dictionary. Now in the change function we first check if index in self.int2number. If this exists then old number equals to self.int2number of index, and then we check if old number is not equal to number, then heap push on self dot number to indices on old number comma float of infinity. Update the number self dot int to number of index equal to number, and then heap push on self dot number to indices of number comma index. Now in find function we check if number not in self dot number to indices, then simply return -1. Now in the while loop we check while self dot number to indices of number and the self dot number to indices of number of 0, which is the current index, not in self dot int to number, or self dot int to number of this current index is not equal to number, heap pop self dot number to indices of number. After this while loop we check if self dot number to indices of number, then return self dot number to indices of number of 0. Otherwise simply return -1 in the end. Let's submit this. Okay friends, see you later. Bye bye.